Hello everyone, welcome back to Anupama Varma's Easy Maths Tricks. Today we are going to learn how to find out squares of repeated digit numbers. Squares of repeated digit numbers. Okay, let's start with 11 square. Everybody knows 11 square is 121. Let's see triple one square. So in conventional method, triple one, how will you multiply? 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Then leaves ones place, write 3 ones again. Leaves tens place and write 3 ones. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, right? If you observe this pattern carefully, then you can write 4 1 square, 5 1 square, and 6 1 square, and so on. Okay, let's write now this pattern now. See here. Here how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. So write until 2. 1, 2. Then reverse the order. 1. Here how many ones are there? 3. Write until 3. 1, 2, 3. Then reverse the pattern. 2, 1. So this is 4 1 squares, no? Write until 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then reverse the pattern. So 3, 2, 1. That's it. So simple, no? Let's write 5 1 squares. So 5 ones are there. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next reverse the order. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next 6 1 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can write n number of 1 squares like this. For example, we need to find triple 2 square. Triple 2 we can write as 2 into triple 1, right? So whole square. Take out 2 square as common, write triple 1 square. If you know the value of triple 1 square, then the answer we can write easily, no? So 2 square how much? 4. Triple 1 square value. So here 3 digits are there. Write up to 3 and reverse the pattern. So you can multiply with 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 1 carry over here. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. 4 ones are 4. This is the answer. So simple now. Using this technique, you can find 4 squares. So take out 4 square common and triple 4 1 squares. Triple 5. Take out 5 square and write triple 1 square. 5 threes. So take out 3 square and write 5 1 squares. By using this pattern, we can find the values. Okay. For all repeative numbers 1 to 9, we can follow the technique. But for 3, 6 and 9, we have a special technique. Let's see now. What is that? Okay. For example, double 3 square is there. When you square these kind of numbers, you can actually see a pattern being followed. Let's see now. Generally in traditional method, 33 into 33, how much? 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, so 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 8, 1 carry over here, so 10. So the answer is 1089, right? Let's see now the short trick for this, okay? See here, double 3 square is there. First write last digit square. So last digit is 3 square, that is 9. Write answer in 2 digits. So we need to add 0 before the 9. So the answer is 0, 9. Okay. Now what we need to do is, this is 2 digit number, no? So write first 9 and leave one space here. Then write 0, again write one space. If it is 3 digits, then we need to leave 2 spaces. Okay, if it is 4 digits, we need to leave 3 digits. That means for n number of digits, we need to leave n minus 1 spaces. Is it clear? Next, reduce this 9 with 1. So what is the answer? It is 8, no? Write 8 here. From here, increase 1 digit. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1. So the answer is 1089. Let's see for 333 square. Okay. The last digit square is 3 square, that is 09. Write 9 here. This is 3 digit number, so we need to leave spaces 2. Then write 0, then again leave spaces 2. Decrease one number of this number. So you'll get 8, 8. Increase one digit to this number. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1, no? Right, fill it here, 1, 1. So this is the answer, 110889. Is it clear? Let's see 4 3 squares, okay? 3 3 3 3 square, okay? What is the last digit? 3. 3 square is equal to 09. Then write 9 here. This is 4 digit number. So leave 3 spaces here. How many spaces? 3 spaces. If n is equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, no? So we need to leave n minus 1. N minus 1 in the sense 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we need to leave 3 spaces. Then write 0 here. Again leave 3 spaces. Okay. Then decrease one number to this number, that is fill it with 8, 8, 8. Increase one number. So fill it with 1, 1, 1. So this is the answer. So simple, no? Take for 6 series also. Okay. Let's take 6 series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Okay. So what is the last digit square? 6 square is equal to 36. So write 6 first. Then how many spaces we need to leave? So this is 5 digit number, no? So leave 4 digits. 4 spaces. Okay. Next write 3. Again leave 4 spaces. Decrease 1. So fill it with 5. 6 minus 1, how much? 5, no? So fill it with 5. From here, increase 1. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So fill it with 4. So this is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write and next write 6. Okay. Let's see 666 square. Okay. So large digit is 6. So 6 square is equal to 36. Write 6 here. How many spaces we need to leave? This is 3 digit, no? So leave only 2 digits. Then write this 3. Again leave 2 spaces. So decrease one number. So fill it with 5. From here, increase one number. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4, no? So fill it with 4. So 666 square is equal to 4, 3, 5, 6. So simple, no? And the same technique we can use for even 9 also. Let's see 9 series. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 squares. So what is the last number here? 9 square is equal to 81. Right. Then write 1 here. How many digits are here? 6 nines are there. So leave 5 spaces. Then write this 8. Again leave 5 spaces. So decrease 1 from this number. So fill it with 1 minus 1, 0, 0 no. So fill it with zeros. Increase one number to this number. So 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So fill it with 9s. So this is the answer. So simple, no? One thing you keep in the mind, this technique is useful only for 3, 6, 9 only. This technique is useful only for 3, 6, 9. For remaining numbers, you can follow the same technique we followed for 222 square. 222 square, how we did? So take out 2 square and write 1 square. Okay, for 5 squares also, take out 5 square as common, write 1, 1, 1 square. We can use this technique for remaining numbers 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Isn't it amazing? So keep learning, keep enjoying. If you like this video, like it, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.